Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you all here again. Today we're diving into 7 quick and easy diet hacks for all you busy folks out there. These tips are designed to fit seamlessly into your hectic lives. We've all been there. Life gets in the way. You find yourself juggling a million things at once. You're working late, you're stuck in traffic, and the last thing you want to think about is cooking a healthy meal. It feels like there's just no time. But here's the thing, eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. With a few smart strategies, it can actually be quite simple and enjoyable. In fact, it can be pretty damn easy once you know a few tricks. You'll be amazed at how effortless it can become. That's what we're talking about today. We're going to break it all down for you. I'm going to show you 7 simple hacks that you can start using today to eat healthier and feel better, even if you're busier than a one-armed drummer in a rock and roll band. These are practical tips you can implement right away. We're talking real strategies for real people, no matter how crazy your schedule gets. These hacks are designed to make healthy eating a breeze. So grab your notebook, strap in, and let's do this. Get ready to transform your eating habits and feel amazing. First up, we have meal prep. It's the ultimate time saver. Spend a few hours on the weekend to prepare your meals for the week. It's a small investment for a big payoff. Trust me, future you will thank you. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing all those healthy meals ready to go. It saves time and ensures you eat healthy even when you're short on time. No more last-minute unhealthy choices. Think about it. You come home after a long day, you're exhausted, the last thing you want to do is chop veggies and cook. But you open the fridge and bam, pre-made salad ready to rock. No stress, no mess. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more kale. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Next on our list is keeping healthy snacks handy. Nuts, fruits, and yogurt are great options to keep you fueled throughout the day. Keep a stash of almonds, a banana, or a yogurt cup in your bag. That way, when hunger strikes, you're ready. No more desperate vending machine runs, no more settling for that sugary donut. You're in control, you're fueled up, and you're ready to take on the world. Another great hack is staying hydrated. Carry a water bottle with you and aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Seriously, water is like magic juice. It keeps your energy levels up, your skin clear, and your brain firing on all cylinders. Plus, it's 0 calories. You can literally drink as much as you want. So ditch the sugary drinks and make water your new best friend. Chapter 4. Portion control. Size matters. Don't forget about portion control. Use smaller plates to help manage your portions and avoid overeating. It's a psychological trick, but it works. Our brains like to see a full plate. It makes us feel satisfied. So, trick your brain by using a smaller plate. You'll eat less, but you'll still feel just as satisfied. Chapter 5. Smoothies, your secret weapon. A simple yet effective hack is making smoothies. They're quick to prepare and you can pack them with fruits and veggies. Throw in some spinach, a handful of berries, a scoop of protein powder, and boom! You've got yourself a delicious and nutritious meal in a cup. Plus, you can take them on the go. Perfect for those mornings when you're running late. Chapter 6. Processed foods, the enemy. One more tip to keep in mind is to avoid processed foods. Opt for whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Processed foods are loaded with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. They're the kind of foods that make you feel sluggish and bloated. Whole foods, on the other hand, give you energy, nourish your body, and make you feel amazing. Chapter 7. Plan to win meal planning for the busy. And finally, we have planning your meals. Take a few minutes each day to plan what you'll eat. It helps you stay on track and make healthier choices. Think of it like planning your day. You wouldn't just show up at work without knowing what you're going to do, right? The same goes for your meals. A little planning goes a long way. Live your best life. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this journey towards a healthier lifestyle. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support helps us bring you more valuable information. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore, it can be fun and rewarding. It's about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle. Start with simple steps and build from there. Start with one of these hacks, see how it makes you feel, and then add another. Consistency is key. Before you know it, you'll be a lean, mean, healthy eating machine. See you next time. Stay healthy and stay happy.